Guys, I got ripped off. Let's shoot the inside first. Hey, people are making a noise, yeah? Yeah. Okay guys, so here's the car. Give it a young start and see if it actually starts, because I don't know. Hey, the steering wheel is locked, damn. It is old cars. So here's the car I have for now. When I push it for the next, I don't know until I set it. Guys, this is the old school. You see, it's not the normal one, this one. It's not automatic here. Hey, well, let's see. Your body kind of short, so I gotta do the adjusting nicely. Alright, I think, but it's comfortable though. It's like, it's mad comfortable, I won't lie. Alright. Let's see if this thing starts the way. This is what the keys look like. Comes in like 3 sets of keys. I don't know which one is which one, but I think the red one is the one that we're gonna use to start. Okay, let's start this thing, man. I don't know how to. This is the gear, guys. Very old school. Listen to that. Okay, let's try and start this. I don't know how to start this. Oh, how do you start this thing, bro? Yeah. Guys, I got ripped off. Oh, it's running. We inside, Chad. We inside. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It ends on 5 or 4, I think. So I think reverse is for young test drive. Let's see. Guys, power steering. Oh. Now we're moving. It's not bad, man. It's actually smooth. Yeah. Guys, we have a car. Yo. Look, it's moving. It's moving nice. So we're gonna go around the block and see if like everything is fine. Oh, it's moving nice, man. Yeah. It's moving nice, yeah? Nice and fresh. Yeah, nice and fresh, guys. The car's moving. It even has a top speed of 140, bro. Look at the top speed, bro. Oh, damn, 160. Nah, this thing is mad, yo. I wonder if like it can actually go up to 160 though. What do you guys think? Maybe it can go up to 160, but obviously no one have taste. Yeah! So let's see if the radio works. Okay, let's stop here, guys. Check if it's safe. We're gonna see if the radio works. Okay, let's see what works. What's this? Okay, this is the hazards. So the hazards work. We have a cigarette lighter. Oh, it's not bad. So the car moves. It's not radio. So I'm guessing that's like yeah. But the car's loud, ne? But it's like a Vorpa though. Car. It's not bad, man. It's not bad. I feel like as long as it gets me from point A to B, that's what matters. So right now, yeah, the car's cooking. Nah, this thing moves, guys. This thing actually moves. Obviously not like fast, but it moves. And it moves nice. Oh damn, the gears are stuck, bro. Damn, bro. Bro, how do you drive this thing, bro? Hey! What's that I feel? This thing wants to make us stuck. But it moves, guys. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go back to the house now because I think it's clear. The indicators work, bro. Okay, wait. How many of the indicators work? It has one mirror, by the way. This car has one mirror. Doesn't have like a lot. But it's still fresh though. Yeah. I guess we cook it. For 10K. Nah, it's not bad. It's not bad, man. It's not bad. I'm joking. This car was like 20K. It was like 25. So yeah, it's not that bad. Still a steal though. It's a good deal. So let's see. Everything moves nicely in my car. So yeah. We have a car, guys. We have a car. Let's park it and see. Let's see. Oh, they have to park it in the garage. I forgot. Bombo clock, man. Oh, guys, we have a car. That's crazy. That's crazy. Hopefully the car like holds up to its worth. It's an old school classic. So yeah, man. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one, bro. Cheers.
I mean